Hi, welcome to training for TRIREGA, capital projects for the VA Department of Veteran Affairs. TRIREGA is an application that is used to track and record data regarding many of the capital projects that the Department of Veteran Affairs handles. That information tracked ranges from the project itself to its contracts, any submittal packages, RFIs, also potential change orders. The application is internet-based. You can access it from anywhere that you have an internet connection. You will also be provided with a login by your field support staff if you do not have one already. Today, we will be going over potential change orders from the SRE and RE's perspective. The potential change order has gone through and been created by the contractor and is now sent to the RE office for your review. Possibly you can then complete it, and you can create a change order from it if you deem necessary. So let's move on and get logged into TRIREGA as our SRE. In this case, that is test 27. So we will find that a potential change order has been sent to us. You can find one right here, the one that was sent to us today. You'll find it in My Pending Approvals. And it is pending our review and is currently assigned to us, test user 27. So we click on it to open it. This will take us to the approval record, where we will see that it was sent to us by test user 21. It's currently assigned to us as test user 27, and we can also see us in the reviewer list below. To get to the PCO itself and begin reviewing it, click on the underlined words Link to Record. Open a new window. Alright, so now we can review this PCO and review the information within it. We do that by checking out the name, for reference, go through and verify line of information. Scrolling down, we'll check out the details. So you see that there's an expected amount of $10,000. So we can then read our change order note, which should contain a detailed explanation for the potential change order. Beneath that section, we'll find the cost impact section, where we'll see where that $10,000 amount came from, as described by the contractor, and also review any drawing impacts described and any schedule impacts by clicking on their tabs. Next, we'll want to go to the Notes and Documents tab. Here we can review any information that has been uploaded by the contractor. Click on the document and then download it to view it. After reviewing all the information, and if we're happy with what we see, we can close the window or click Save and Close to get back to the approval record. You'll have to wait for the entire window to load before you can perform any actions such as save and close. From here, we're back to the approval record. Now we have two options. We can either approve it and let the contractor know that we have reviewed it, or we could reassign it. In this case, we're going to approve the record, send it back to the contractor as reviewed. You can reassign it to your AE if you want to get their opinion, an RE in your office, or anyone that you'd like to get their opinion on the PCO form. So we click on Approve. And here you can put your comments in that you'd like to send back to the contractor, such as, I agree, see loaded documents, or more information. Then you can click Continue. So we'll close the window. It'll send the PCO back to the contractor. And if we can refresh our screen, we'll see it leave our queue. So now we have an RFI here instead of the PCO, so it's out of our hands. So the next steps are either to mark it complete and then award it, or not award it. Now that we have sent it back to the contractor, we don't expect them to revise and resubmit it because we do agree with them. We can, as the SRE, go back in, find our potential change order, If you know the name of it, you can type the name inside the name field, such as, such as here. Type the name in, D1A-10,000, and we'll find our potential change order. We'll see that it's in the issued status. And since we do agree with the contractor that this potential change order will need to be a change order, we can complete this by clicking the complete button. See now its status is now completed. We then click it once more to open it again. Completed puts it into a finalized state, can't be edited anymore by the contractor. Now, we can either leave it in a completed state if we don't wish to award it into a change order, or in this case, as we're going to do, we do agree with the contractor and we do want to create a change order from this potential change order. So, opening up a completed potential change order, you will see a create change order option to the top. Click that button. This will open up a window. You'll see much of the information from the potential change order has been inherited into the change order you see in front of you here, such as the name, the date, contract information, which is further down right here. See that the vendor has been pre-populated with the vendor's information, the contractor's information. We will see that since there was a noted schedule impact, the time extension has been noted here. Under the costs tab, we will find a line item for the mentioned cost impact. See that the amount has been noted as 10,000. Moving on, come back to the General tab. And we can also see that this change order has been initiated by another document. Default to yes because we created it from a PCO, and you'll see that PCO is linked at the bottom. We need to select a liability code under the details section. Now a required field, so click on the drop-down box and select the proper liability code. After that is done, click Create Draft. So now we have a draft change order. We can go through, verify all this information. If there is any other documents, such as RFIs, RFQs, or submittals that need to be added to this, you can add them now by clicking the Find button. Relevant type of document, in this case is submittal. It'll open up a window. And then select your submittal by clicking on the checkbox to the left, then clicking OK. One thing to take note of is that the the change order, its initiated date will update to the date of the earliest attached document. So once I save this, we'll see that the initiated date at the top here will change from February 9, 2018 to August of 2015. Change here. And that is the basic setup of a change order from within a potential change order. To continue on with the change order, please refer to the change order instruction video. Save and close the change order here. We will see that our potential change order now has a status of awarded. We can close this, and you also see that the actions up there, they took a moment ago, but they are now gone. This is now an awarded PCO. It is a final state. Close it. And then you can follow the instructions in the change order video to finish filling out that change order. Thank you very much.